Good morning, first graders. Today is September the 14th, 2020. Dear all, we hope you enjoyed your week of virtual learning. Thank you so much for returning your work to your teacher. Today we will continue learning about landforms. We will discuss the landform valley. A valley is an area of lowland between ranges of hills or mountains. Valleys are depressions in the earth surrounded by hills or mountains. They're formed by water or ice erosion and therefore are a natural trough that slopes down to a stream. Hills are lower than mountains and made from rock or sand debris deposited by the wind or glaciers. Hills can also be created by faults. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.